The latest technology, and IJ Hudson is with us now with details. IJ?
Susan, it's the second annual IEEE Computer Society International Design Competition. The finals were held in Crystal City, and this year the spotlight was on using Bluetooth, a wireless communications technology that will let all of our little digital devices talk to each other when they're close.
Go forward. Go forward.
The teams used the same parts, but chose different problems and solutions. The common theme was using a wireless communications technology called Bluetooth. It lets devices like cell phones, digital assistants, things with tiny computers, talk to each other.
Here you've got components. Go away, use them, and use them to create something that's valuable, something that will one day sell.
For the University of Toronto, it meant designing a head-mounted control system for the disabled.
What's displayed into my eyes is a computer screen, right, which has commands on it that I have access to. It also displays every device that's in my area that I have access to. So for instance, if I came up to a supermarket, right, and I had to open the door, then I'd see that I could open the door on my screen, and I could choose to activate it.
Blue Eyes detected the wearer's state of consciousness in someone in a critical job. A German team combined Bluetooth and a web browser to develop a universal remote control.
With our remote control, you can control any device from anywhere, at any time.
The competition is sponsored by industry, Microsoft, Toshiba, Motorola, Sun, SAIC, and others. These students are ahead of the universities, ahead of industry itself. The team from Brigham Young concentrated on creating a network set up between an EMT and a patient. The patient carrying health information on a smart card combined with Bluetooth capability. The EMT uses a special reader.
That the EMT never has to take out the patient's wallet, remove the card, look through their belongings. It's better than a medical bracelet that can only contain, a single allergy. This has got medical history, whether they're diabetic, hypertension, things like that.
California is having power problems. The team from the University of Virginia designed Blue Star, a system to manage solar power, remotely controlling appliance turn on and shut off.
With all the blackouts and brownouts in California, we think that our application could really change how energy is used, and we think that it's the perfect application for Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, connecting things in new ways.
Winning team was Poznan University of Technology in Poland. BYU came in third. UVA received an honorable mention. Susan?
All those kids are amazing. IJ, what other kinds of things will Bluetooth let us do?
Well, believe it or not, you'll be walking through a mall with your cell phone properly programmed. You'll walk by a store, and if you've pre-programmed that you're looking for, say, size 7 red shoes, and you walk by a shoe store that has the shoes, bloop, they talk and say, "Oh, Susan, we have your shoes. Drop on by."
All right.
Wow.
Thanks, IJ.
Thanks, IJ. Well, we've had another great day out there. When we come back, Bob Ryan.